Subaru XV 2017 onward. Install Cogoo 9-inch Android GPS player. Okay, limited edition 2022. 8-core processor, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage. With 9-inch OEM big screen casing. Got a silver frame, Aircon silver frame. So big screen casing. IPS screen, multi-angle view. 2 button. Good fitting casing. And an OEM power socket plug and play. Subaru socket, same with the Nissan plug and play socket. Okay, and OEM steering control socket plug and play. Okay, this car model original is Kenwood player. It's come with original reverse camera, so can connect original reverse camera to Android Cogoo player. Original reverse camera view. Setting, network internet, turn on Wi-Fi, connect your phone hotspot for internet. This is 8-core processor, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage. This limited edition is Android 8.1 fixed version. Android system Android 8.1. A full menu. Got an aux video input and video output. A-drama and 6TV online TV APK. This can download from Google web page. It's installed by APK. Equalizer, EQ. 10-band equalizer. Got a preset channel. And a loudness on off. Screen off. Press anyway to turn it on. Screen saver to show time and date. Steering control setting. Click on the begin learn, then press the icon, and at the same time press your steering control button to save it. A radio, so select the frequency you want. Okay, long press to save it. Easy connect mirror link. It's got a Bluetooth call and a Bluetooth music. Bluetooth music, you have to share your phone music to car player. Before that, you have to pairing your phone Bluetooth. CPRZ to check your player system. 8-core processor. Processor. Screen resolution 1024x600. 2GB RAM, 16GB storage. This version is Android 8.1 fixed version. Play Store. Log in your Gmail to download app from Play Store. Waze, YouTube, split screen function, left right screen. clear apps. So this is Cogoo 8-core processor, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, 9853 version, Android 8.1, 2022. OEM good fitting casing, OEM plug and play socket. Installed by OneBiz. Our shop in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong. USB port ×2. IPS screen, reverse camera input, no HD. Just a normal reverse camera input.